Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe and Delta Logic team, and today I have something very interesting to show you. So as you know, Amazon released their own MCP, and now the community is actually mixed when it comes to the feelings about that. Everyone is pretty much talking about that. Some of the people are trying it. Some people are trying and building their own MCPs on top of the SP API and Ads API. We also built our own MCP for DataDoe, so our data connector. And now I just want to show you the comparison. So we have the official Amazon MCP on the right side, and we have the DataDoe MCP on the left side. This is a recording because my team prepared for me, so we'll go through it. I will be doing a comment on this one. Let's run it. So you have two same prompts. What were my total UK ad spend and sales in the February 2026? And we are launching it inside DataDoe MCP and Amazon advertisement MCP, official one. And we are doing it as a regular user without any additional context. So Claude, in this case, it has to figure out how to do it, what tool to use. And yeah, on the left side, as we can see, it identified the seller and is already getting the data and preparing the answer. And on the right side is actually picking some tools. All right, so we already got the answer on the left side, and on the right side, we need to approve some operations in order to continue. So we've approved that, and it's actually continuing. It found the UK profile, that's good, and now it's actually creating a report for this period. Okay, we also have to approve this one, and it's still working. And you can also see how many tokens is actually taken. It's using another tool. Okay, we need to approve it. It's actually doing something, that's good, but still thinking. Create campaign report, it actually needs to do one more thing, so we are approving this one. Okay, it created this, and now it will pull it. And meanwhile, let's just do some more stuff. So I will compare this to the January 2026 while the Amazon MCP is still working. It's just like it failed and it's trying again. And yeah, let's run the comparison of the period inside DataDoe MCP and see how it reacts. All right, so DataDoe MCP already got the answer, and here's the side-by-side comparison, January to February. And let's do a follow-up prompt. Which search terms generated most ad orders in February? And again, the Amazon MCP is struggling a lot, so we'll just let it do the work. But you already see how much time it's using and tokens. All right, and DataDoe MCP already returned the top 25 search terms and all of the information with them, while the Amazon MCP is still trying to do the work. So we will challenge DataDoe MCP and try to get the top 10 ASINs by ads conversion increase from January to February 2026. So we are also introducing the metrics here. And the Amazon is still thinking and burning the tokens. And I'm actually afraid we'll run out of the tokens soon. All right, and DataDoe is actually giving us the answer. We got the table of ASINs, January orders, February orders, and the change. And it gave us also this nice chart and also some insights. Okay, let's actually do a follow-up. What factors lead to do that? And yeah, let's see if it can give us even better results here and better insights so we can improve our Amazon business. And yeah, just a quick comment, as you see on the right side, the Amazon report is ready, and it will actually now download and process it. I will have to actually write a continue in order to do that, because for some reason it just stopped. And DataDoe is actually figuring out to pull additional information from the database to get the results. And DataDoe is pulling daily order trends and the sales and traffic data to check organic conversion rates. And it seems like the Amazon is returning zeros, meaning it actually couldn't do the job. Okay, DataDoe is preparing the answer for us, and Amazon MCP is doing something. Oh, and it hit the limit. So yeah, that's how it is. And we are using the Pro plan and Claude. Okay, the DataDoe gave us this beautiful report and the comparison, and it built us this nice chart as well, and it gave us the insights. All right, so this is pretty much a quick comparison of both MCPs. The official Amazon MCP on the right side that couldn't even do the very simple job of getting us the most basic data within the Claude limit, and DataDoe MCP that did the whole analysis, pulled multiple data sources, and gave us the report, the results. So that's pretty much the situation where we are today. If you're interested and want to check out the DataDoe MCP, we actually have a 7 days free trial. It's super simple. You just plug your Amazon accounts and copy the token, paste it inside the Claude, and you can actually start using it. We also have the coverage to full Amazon selling partner API, meaning you have all of your sales data as well, while on Amazon MCP side it's only working for the advertisement data right now. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about this one. What are your results? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.